Welcome to our YouTube Shorts on 5 Facts for Investing for Beginners. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. In this video, we will share some important facts that every beginner should know before they start investing. So, let's get started. Fact number 1. Start with a clear financial goal. Before you begin investing, it's important to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or funding your child's education, having a specific goal will help you make better investment decisions. Fact number 2. Diversify your portfolio. One of the key principles of investing is diversification. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can reduce the risk of losing all your money if one investment performs poorly. Fact number 3. Understand your risk tolerance. Investing involves some level of risk, and it's important to understand how much risk you are willing to take. Some investments may offer higher returns but also come with higher risks. Assess your risk tolerance and choose investments that align with your comfort level. Fact number 4. Do your research. Before investing in any company or asset, it's crucial to do your due diligence. Research the company's financials, its management team, and its competitive position in the market. This will help you make informed investment decisions and avoid potential scams or fraudulent schemes. Fact number 5. Stay disciplined and patient. Investing is a long-term game, and it's important to stay disciplined and patient. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your investment plan and stay focused on your long-term goals. And there you have it, 5 important facts for investing for beginners. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's never too late to start. So, take the first step today and begin your investment journey towards a brighter financial future.